Hi there, and welcome to this RCI tutorial video. This video is for users of the RCI and will show you how to reset your password if you've forgotten it. For this to work, you will have to have entered an email address into your RCI account. That's something you may have done when you first created your account, or you may have added an email address sometime after creating your account. If you didn't enter an email address, unfortunately, this won't work. Now, just to mention that there are two ways you can reset your password. This video will show you one option, which is completed entirely by you. There is a second video titled What to Do If You Forget Your Password, option number 2, getting a facilitator to send a reset link to your email address. This second video will show you almost the exact same things as this video. The only difference is that in this video that you're watching, you will complete all of the steps yourself. While in the other video, you would ask a facilitator to complete an initial step for you. So we'll get going with this video now. We're currently on the main recoverycontextinventory.com website. And we'll say that you've forgotten the password for your RCI account and you want to reset it. So to start off, we'll go up here to the top right of the website where we have this login button. I'll click on this button and that'll bring us to the login page. As we're resetting the password for a user account, we'll be using this left side of the login page under the user login heading. If we go down here, near the bottom of the login area, you'll see this "Can't access your account" text. We'll click on this text to bring us to a new page. On this new page, you'll see we have this heading here that reads User Account Password Reset, and this guidance text that reads, "Only use this reset option to reset your user account. Do not use these fields for any other account." Then, below that, we have this space here to type in an email address. This is where we'll type the email address for a user account that's been created just for this video. When it comes to you doing this, you'd type in the email address that you added to your RCI account. So, I'll go ahead and type in the email address for this video, which is useroftheRCI@gmail.com. Once the email address has been typed in, I'll click on this Submit button. And you'll see we get this message to let us know that a reset link will be sent if we've entered a valid email address. So now I'll go and open up the email account for the email address that I just typed in. I've got this email account open already up here at the top of my web browser. So I'll go up here and open this now. You'll see that within this email account, there is an email here that has come from the RCI, and it has the subject Account Reset. I'll go ahead and open this email, and you'll see it has a brief message that says, click on the link below to reset your account. So to start resetting the password, I'll go ahead and click on this link. You'll see we've been brought to the RCI to this page with the heading Account Reset. And on this page, we can type in a new password into these spaces down here. There are two spaces because we have to type our new password into both spaces as a way of making sure that we type it exactly as we want it. Now, before typing in the new password, it's important to take note of this guidance information that reads, "Note down your password now and store it safely in a place of your choice. This is important because in order for you to be able to use the RCI in the future, you need to remember this password. When creating a password, do not create one that will include identifiable information such as your real name, your address, your mobile numbers, your email address, etc. So I'll go ahead and enter a password into the first space here. You'll notice that as I type, the password is hidden by dots. This is done so that if someone happens to be able to see the computer screen as a password is entered, they won't be able to tell what the password is. As mentioned, the password has to be typed a second time to make sure it's entered exactly as intended. So I'll type the password a second time into the confirm password space here. Now that I've typed in the password twice, we'll come down here where we have a note that reads, tick this box after you have noted down your password. You cannot continue until you note down your password and tick this box. This is a safety check, just in case someone flies through this process and creates a password without noting it down as they go. If we clicked on the next button here, without ticking this box, we get a warning message just like this that reads, before continuing, you must note down your password and tick the box to confirm you have done this. So we'll tick this box now, which makes the warning go away, and then we'll click on the next button. You'll see that after clicking the next button, we're brought to the login page again. So at this point, your new password is saved for your account, and to log in, you need the facilitator to enter your username for your account, and you would then take over and enter your own password. And so that's us finished with resetting a password. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please get in touch with one of your local RCI facilitators who will be able to answer your queries or get an answer for you.